abdominals without any neck stress. Now, you really, really want to fatigue your abdominals when you're working them. And sometimes people can't go that long because they feel it in their neck in that position. So I'm going to offer you some cool exercises that you can do with the Pilates ball or a squishy ball or the foam roller. So go ahead and place it at your sacrum. I'm going to be on the diagonal so that you can watch me. Good morning, everyone. So my legs are out kind of wide because I want the quads and the hip flexors to be relaxed. Then you're going to do the cha-ching move. Watch. Cha-ching, pelvis up. So there's a posterior tilt. Now, why do you do that? Because if your pelvis is slightly forward, and you don't have to do it too much, not like some programs, but just a little bit to engage the core and the abs, I'm going to start contracting here. Then you don't have to worry about arching your back. So I'm kind of in a moderate C. Now, the second thing I'd like you to do is, hi, good morning, thank you. Is place your hands on the outside of your thighs. And I know this might look like cheating, but actually what I'm doing in this position is spreading the back a little bit, compressing the shoulders down to elongate my neck, and closing the rib cage. So if you watch, I am pushing down and in, and down and in. Now, imagine you're wearing a beautiful little corset, and someone is closing that corset and closing your rib cage as much as you can, because if you close the intercostals, you're going to feel like those abdominals are really going to be electrified because of all the attention in the area. So if you close the ribs, the abdominals are going to work. So I want you to just continue to squeeze. So let me show you some variations that I love to do. So I can do pulses for 4 and then do an isometric hold and release. And as you hold, I want you to escalate the pressure. Hi, good morning. You know, bikini season is around the corner, and we all worry about our abs. Now, remember, you have to do a lot of abdominals to strengthen the body. You're not going to reduce any size by doing abdominal work, but you will define, squeeze. So 1, 2, 3, 4 compressions, and then a hold. And then you could do it here as well. Now, the minute you take your arms up, it's going to be harder on the abs, especially if you maintain that C. So 4 here, maybe, right? And then up. So I'm going to do one more. Lift, 2, 3, 4. Maintain the contraction in the abs and allow the arms to be the weight for the abdominals. I'm already feeling these. So up, 2, but there's no neck stress. This is fantastic to strengthen your back because you're constantly engaging the core. The booty's tight. One more time. So watch, I'm going 4 up as I contract the rib cage, and then just hold your body weight with your arms here. Then you could do also obliques. So one of the ones I do is I like to squeeze my hands together and then reach. But sometimes people go too quickly on this. As you reach, you're maintaining that abdominal. You're not reaching back and arching the spine. It's just keeping this engaged as you reach. And then left, squeeze together, because if you engage your pecs, you're going to feel it in the abs. So a couple of those. Then what you can also do is stabilize your feet and do a pelvic tilt so that your butt is off the ground. Now you're isolating into the abs like crazy. And then you could do a series here, but again, no arching. Then if you'd like to do obliques, I'm going to show you how to just change your body position. Right tushy, right thigh on the floor, other knee is in a butterfly position. And the reason you want to do that is because your whole focus is here. So you're going to lean back, maybe do some longer work, and contract. If you sit upright too much, you're going to lose gravity. So you're going to reach and maintain this position. Now, hand on the floor is going to give you a little more support. Hand on the head is going to be more weighted back. Both arms even more weight. And then as you progress this, you can actually make it more difficult by changing the weight behind you. But notice my shoulders and my neck and my back are very comfortable. All I'm doing is isolating this compression. You can keep the hand there to do that. And you can do any rhythm you want. You could do the 3 and the 4. You can open it. You can weight it more. And this is what I call sleepy time arms, right underneath the cheek. This is way more difficult because you've got weight back behind you. So as you're compressing, that's going to be more difficult. We only have a few more seconds, but I want to show you one more. If you put your glutes right up, and it's right by the sacrum again, not past the waist, You can elevate your chest, not pull on the head, and do negative work. And this is a great way to work balance, strengthen the back and core. So every time I'm kicking out my legs, I'm contracting my abdominals. But notice, I'm hardly moving my head, neck, and shoulders. You can keep them on the floor if you like as well. But you want to engage the abs every single time you drop the weight. And you're going to feel an amazing workout in the abdominals, in the back, and of course this is balance work because my shoulders are slightly off the ground. And you could do any version of these. Of course, these are way more difficult. We're 20 seconds over. I hope you got some great ideas to work your abdominals for summer bikini season, make you feel more confident, and also give you the strength in the back you need for everyday life. Have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday for Cardio Wednesday.